Welcome back to my channel, Jay's Amazing World. Today I have made an amazing boat with this thermocol piece. First, I have took a big thermocol piece and I have cut it in this shape. Then I have took this mortar and I have kept the mortar in this hole, and then I have stick the mortar in this hole with this plaster. See, this mortar have this fan. Now if power is coming here, this fan will rotate like this. When this fan rotates like this, it will push water what is over here will go over here. That will make this boat go front. If this motor rotates like this, then all the water over here will go over here. That will make the boat go back. This is my experiment I am trying to make now. Let us start the model. I have already explained you this power supply in my previous videos, but I am going to explain it again. See, this battery have positive and negative. The red wire is positive and the black wire is negative. The red wire will go to a switch and this black wire will go to the motor. And then there's another red wire coming from the switch to the motor. So if I on over here, this power supply will go to the motor and the motor will run. That is how this circuit works. See, I can show you the example. First, I will keep these wires just over here like this. And even this wire. Now the both are attached. Let's see on. It is rotating, but you can't see it properly. So I will keep something over there so you can see it properly. See, I will keep this fan to the motor, and then I will keep these two wires. Just like this, and then I will on the switch. See, the fan is rotating. Now let us connect these two wires to the motor in the boat which I showed you before. Now I will attach these two wires to the motor. I will take this soldering rod. I already told you what is the soldering rod in the previous videos. Little bit of flex and a little bit of lead. And then what I do is just attach these two. Same for this wire also. See, I have connected these two wires to the motor. On the switch, it is turning. Now I have to test it. It's working or not. I am in my balcony now. Now I have to keep this boat in the water. See? Just I have kept it like this and I will on it. It is doing a lot of splash, but still it's going. But it have no steering. We are only the steering of it. We just need to put it like this. It will go by itself front. See? It is going front, but very slowly. Since it's only less battery and only one power of battery, that's why it can't push this boat that much speedily. We need more power for this. See? going front. We need to turn it. Be going front like this one. How is my experiment? Is it amazing? Bye. Meet you in the next video. Bye.